Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about formation of aromatic polyketides, which is the last point from acetate pathway. In case of acetate pathway, we have already discussed about formation of fatty acids, as well as there is a malonate pathway, means formation of or synthesis of malonyl CoA from acetyl CoA. So in case of fatty acid synthesis, we already discussed about from the condensation of acetyl CoA and malonyl CoA. After condensation and different steps, finally you will get formation of fatty acids, right? So in this case, in this formation, there is between formation of poly beta ketoester takes place. Poly beta ketoester formation takes place, and they are lastly converted to fatty acids after 2 or 3 reduction steps, right? So this poly beta ketoesters means after condensation of acetyl CoA plus malonyl CoA, you will get poly beta ketoesters, and finally they will converted to fatty acids after reduction step, as these are highly reactive species, as they contain flanked methyl group between 2 carbonyl groups. So they are highly reactive. So immediately reduction takes place and they are converted into fatty acid. But if there is no reduction takes place, then the next step will be there may be possibility of cyclization of that chain, as we have this poly beta ketoester chain, long chain, as much as malonyl group are present there for the formation of that fatty acid, that much long chain you will get, and as it is very reactive, it directly converted to fatty acids. So the in between step is this formation of poly beta ketoesters. So in case of formation of polyketides, if there is reduction not takes place of this poly beta ketoester, then the next possibility is cyclization. So see, we have acetyl CoA. Now we have to do formation of aromatic polyketides. Aromatic polyketides कशा प्रकारे होऊ शकतात? Firstly we have acetyl CoA, right? Acetyl CoA means CH3CO, acetyl coenzyme A, and this is sulfur thioester group, right? And malonyl CoA means CH2CO. In case of malonate pathway, we have discussed about synthesis of malonyl CoA from acetyl CoA. So the difference is there is remaining structure as it is, just carboxylate group or COOH is attached at the CH2 group. So finally you will get, after reaction, after condensation, formation of poly beta ketoesters, that is CH3, this CH3 from acetyl CoA. We already discussed in case of this fatty acid synthesis, that first group, that is head group, are coming from this acetyl CoA part, and the middle group or another chain is coming from this, another carbon atoms coming from this malonyl CoA part. So this CH3CO SCOA, so replace here CH2. This group is coming from acetyl CoA part, and other chain, that is CH2CO, this group is coming from malonyl CoA part CH2CO again, and last will be, right, CH2CO and thioester. Okay, and this part, that is CH2CO, this part, that is N time. म्हणजे तुम्ही किती malonyl CoA घेणार? This is acetyl CoA. acetyl CoA चे किती मॉलिक्यूल असतील आणि malonyl CoA चे किती मॉलिक्यूल असतील? सो जेवढे malonyl CoA चे मॉलिक्यूल असतील तेवढे काय असणार? N टाइम्स त्या चेनमध्ये कार्बन असणार आहेत. Now we are seeing this formation of poly beta ketoester. आपल्याला poly beta ketoester chain मिळाले. याच्यामधला हा जो CH2 हा काय व्हेरी रिएक्टिव्ह आहे. Why? Because it is flanked between these two electron withdrawing carbonyl group. We have structure like CH3CO. This CH2 is here. The CH2, and again there is a CO. So this carbon containing these two hydrogen, this methyl group is flanked between these two carbonyl carbons, CO. They are electron withdrawing. As they are electron withdrawing, this carbon will become electron deficient and this hydrogen will become more acidic. म्हणजे आपल्याकडे हे जे हायड्रोजन आहेत ते काय असणार आहेत? ॲसिडिक प्रोटॉन्स असणार आहेत. म्हणजे वीक बेस जरी तिथे प्रेझेंट असेल तरी काय करणार आहे, हा बेस काय करणार, इझिली हा हायड्रोजन ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट करून घेऊ शकतो. हे प्रोटॉन आहेत ते इझिली ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट करून घेऊ शकतो आणि इलेक्ट्रॉन शिफ्ट होणार आहेत या कार्बनमध्ये, आणि काय फॉर्म होणार आहे? कार्बॅनियन. सो दिस इज द जनरेशन ऑफ कार्बॅनियन इन दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप, दॅट इज फॉर्म ॲरोमॅटिक पॉलिकेटाइड्स बनण्याची फर्स्ट स्टेप काय, जनरेशन ऑफ कार्बॅनियन. जर पॉलीबीटा कीटो एस्टरमध्ये अशी कंडिशन आहे दॅट दिस CH2 इज हायली रिॲक्टिव्ह, that this hydrogen present on this carbon is highly acidic carbon. So if there is a weak base also present, then it can be easily abstract that hydrogen and formation of carbanion takes place. We have already discussed these points in first year, that is formation of enolates, right? So we have this CH3 CO CH2 CO remaining structure as it is. So these two hydrogens we have. Suppose there is a weak base present, then that base can easily abstract this hydrogen and electron will shift on this carbon. So you will get CH3 CO CH CO, right? And formation of negative charge, that is a carbanion formation. Now this carbanion, as there is a long chain present in the system, that is in case of polybeta keto ester there is a long chain, so different another carbonyl groups are also present. म्हणजे आपण इथे n नंबर मेन्शन केला आहे. सपोज अशी कंडिशन असेल की आपल्याकडे जी पॉलीबिटा एस्टरची चेन आहे ती अशी आहे, CH3 CO CH2 CO CH2 CO then CH2 CO and finally थायोस्टर ग्रुप आहे. सो हा जो पहिला ग्रुप असणार आहे तो कोणापासून असणार आहे, ॲसिटिल कोएपासून असणार आहे, राईट. आणि हे जे बाकीचे ग्रुप आहेत पुढचे नेक्स्ट ग्रुप आहेत ते कोणापासून असणार आहेत, मॅलोनिल कोएपासून. दिस फ्रॉम दिस मॅलोनिल कोए. म्हणजे सपोज एक चेन दिलेली असणार आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला जर क्वेश्चन विचारला की फ्रॉम दिस चेन हाऊ मेनी युनिट्स आर प्रेझेंट और हाऊ मेनी कार्बन युनिट्स आर प्रेझेंट फ्रॉम दिस मॅलोनिल कोए ग्रुप, ॲक्च्युली त्या फॅटी ॲसिडमध्ये किती ग्रुप आहेत त्यातला जो फर्स्ट ग्रुप आहे तो काय करायचा, ॲसिटिल कोएचा असणार आहे. म्हणजे जर 4 असतील तर -1 करून राहिलेले जे असणार ते कोणापासून असणार आहेत, मॅलोनिल कोएपासून असणार आहे. एक जो असणार तो कोणाचा असणार आहे, ॲसिटिल कोएचा असणार आहे. ओके. सो नेक्स्टली सपोज वी हॅव दिस टाइप ऑफ सिस्टम, देन फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ दिस चेन वी रिक्वायर 1 molecule of acetyl CoA means CH3 CO, then thioester group S coenzyme A plus 3 molecules of malonyl CoA, that is CH2 CO coenzyme A COH. So after condensation of these two we will get polybeta kestoester like this. This first molecule from, that is first unit from acetyl CoA and another 3 from this malonyl CoA, 3 malonyl CoA groups, and last is as it is thioester group. Okay, so these 3 units are from malonyl CoA and this 1 unit from acetyl CoA. Now we can fold this polybeta ketoester in 2 types. म्हणजे आपल्याकडे ही जी चेन आहे polybeta ketoesterची ती आपण फोल्ड करू शकतो. as we have this carbon atom, that is this CH2 group, it is sp3 hybridized and other are sp2 hybridized. So different hybridization is there. म्हणजे प्रत्येकाचा बॉन्ड अँगल वेगळा असणार, 120 डिग्री असणार आणि sp3 असेल तर 109 डिग्री 28 मिनिट्स असणार आहे. सो डिफरंट असल्यामुळे काय असणार आहे, ती चेन फ्लिप होऊ शकते, रोटेट होऊ शकते आणि रोटेट झाल्यानंतर त्याचं फोल्डिंग वेगवेगळं असणार आहे. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू इट्स फोल्डिंग सायकलायझेशन विल बी डिफर. म्हणजे आपल्याकडे कार्बोकॅटायन फॉर्म होणार आहे. हा जो कार्बोकॅटायन आहे तो 2 प्रकारचे रिॲक्शन दाखवू शकतो. एक म्हणजे कार्बोकॅटायन फॉर्म झाला आणि बाजूला चेनमध्ये काय आहेत, वेगवेगळ्या इथे अनसॅच्युरेटेड इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक और इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक ग्रुप्स पण आहेत, दॅट इज कार्बोनिल ग्रुप पण आहेत. मग आपल्याला रिॲक्शन दाखवू शकतो, दॅट मीन बी अ क्लेझन कंडेन्सेशन रिॲक्शन और क्लेझन रिॲक्शन और अल्डॉल कंडेन्सेशन रिॲक्शन. These 2 reactions are possible here, as we have already discussed this reactions in enolate formation, Claisen reaction and aldol reaction, right? So वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारची फोल्डिंग पॉसिबल आहे आणि जशी फोल्डिंग असणार आहे त्या प्रकारे काय होणार आहे, 2 वेगवेगळे रिॲक्शन होणार आहेत आणि तुम्हाला डिफरंट प्रोडक्ट मिळणार आहे. सपोज वी हॅव दिस मॉलिक्यूल, ओके, CO 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 and this thioester group. Okay, first unit from acetyl CoA and these 3 units from malonyl CoA. Now we have to do folding, means we can fold this polybeta ketoester in a 2 types, type A and type B. As sp2 carbon have bond angle 120 degree and sp3 will have 109 degree and 28 minutes. So according to their angle they will flip and they will rotate their chain, and folding will be as like type A and type B. Suppose type A म्हटलात तर it will be fold like this, one carbonyl group, okay, this CH3CO सेकंड कार्बोनिल ग्रुप, म्हणजे दोन कार्बोनिल ग्रुपच्या मध्ये एक CH2 मिथिल ग्रुप फ्लँक झालेला पाहिजे. देन हियर इज द अनदर वन, ओके, दिस इज वन and thiester group, 1 2 3 4, right? This is a type A folding, and type B folding will be like this. Suppose 1, then 2, then here is the one, okay, still 1 2 3 and 4, okay. दिस इज अ टाईप बी फोल्डिंग. आता ह्या दोघांमध्ये डिफरन्स काय की ह्या टाईपच्या फोल्डिंगमध्ये हा जो आय विल शो यू लाईक दिस, इट विल बी मोर क्लिअर. इन दिस टाईप ऑफ फोल्डिंग here, okay, now it is clearer to you. In this type of folding you can see this thiouester group is outward. म्हणजे सपोज जर या कार्बोनिल ग्रुपचं रिॲक्शन झाली आणि ह्याने इथे जर रिॲक्शन केली, हा मिथिलिन ग्रुप जो आहे तो हायली रिॲक्टिव्ह आहे, याने जर रिॲक्शन केली तर नवीन जो 6 मेंबर रिंग फॉर्म होणार ती कोणामध्ये फॉर्म होणार आहे, या दोन कार्बनमध्ये फॉर्म होणार आहे. आणि त्यावेळी हा जो थायोस्टर ग्रुप आहे तो काय असणार आहे, बाहेर असणार रिंगच्या. जर या चेन इथे बघितलं तर काय होणार आहे, या दोघांमध्ये बॉन्ड फॉर्म होणार आहे आणि हा जो हा जो कार्बोनिल ग्रुप आहे तो काय असणार आहे, बाहेर असणार आहे. सो डिफरंट कंडिशन विल बी देअर. लेट्स सी बाय टाइप 1 and टाइप 2. In case of type 1 folding, see by type 1 or type A folding, we have the group like this. Okay, and thiouster group is there. Now, in presence of a base, you can see this is a active methylene group which is flanked between these two carbonyl groups. So this hydrogen will be abstracted by one hydrogen abstracted by base. So you will get formation of carbanion, right? On this carbon, formation of carbanion takes place. Means this base will abstract this hydrogen, this electron will shift here, negative charge formation takes place, and after formation of this negative charge will attack on this carbonyl carbon, as this carbon is electron deficient, right? And this electron will shift here, so you will get formation of 6 membered ring. हे इलेक्ट्रॉन इथे शिफ्ट झाले म्हणजे काय होणार आहे, निगेटिव्ह चार्ज म्हणजे ऑक्सिजन O- के इनोलेट आयन फॉर्म होणार आहे. आणि दुसरा म्हणजे काय होणार आहे, हा जो एक प्रोटॉन बाहेर पडलेला होता तो ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट केला जाणार आहे म्हणजे OH, and this CH3 is as it is, this CH3 is as it is, okay. So 6 membered formation takes place, ring formation, this carbonyl group as it is, this carbonyl group as it is, okay, and this carbonyl group and CH3 as it is. Means remaining structure तसंच राहणार आहे, फक्त इथे 6 membered ring फॉर्म होते आणि हा जो O- आहे त्याच्यापासून हा OH फॉर्म झाला. So is the ring formation takes place. This is the aldol type of reaction, right? Aldol type of reaction. After means cyclization process we are doing. Aldol type of cyclization process. Now you can see we have here OH and one more hydrogen present on this carbon. So removal of water molecule takes place, and you will get, after removal of water molecule, the CH3 as it is, this group as it is, this two carbonyl groups as it is, and formation of new double bond here, right? So final stage after water molecule, new minus H2, new pi bond formation takes place. So after formation of this pi bond, you will get, I'm doing mistake here. Here we have this thiouster group, okay. Then finally ketoenol tautomerization takes place. Ketoenol tautomerization or you can say it is aromatization reaction. So after ketoenol tautomerization or aromatization, what will happen? The hydrogen present here or it present here, it go undergo enolate formation, and you will get a new structure. That is, this electrons will shift here, so this electron will shift on this oxygen and enolate formation takes place, and finally it will convert it to OH and formation of double bond will here, and for this C double bond O there is a formation of double bond and converted to OH, and remaining structure as it is, thioester group. Okay, and one methylene group. Then lastly, from this system we are going to do hydrolysis. So after hydrolysis, this thioester group will be eliminated and you will get simple acid formation. Formation of acid means remaining structure as it is, OH, this OH as it is, this methyl group as it is, double bond as it is, here is double bond, and this is will convert it into acid, and this acid is called as orsanelic acid. Orsanelic acid. Now this is the formation of one polyketate. Now this you can see in this structure we have this one position. Suppose this is the first position, 1 2 3 means two OH group are present at 1 and 3 position. So in case of polyketate, this is one you can say, where in case of polyketates there is a identifying nature of this, that OH groups are present at 1 and 3 position. So in this case also, in case of orsanelic acid, these two hydroxyl groups are present at 1 and 3 position. Now to this structure you can say from this acidic group 1 2 3. So this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2,4 dihydroxy 6-methyl benzoic acid. Okay. Now second type of folding will be type B. Folding of type B. Okay. Type B folding मध्ये possibility काय आहे? Here is the group and this acetyl CoA group as it is. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये हा जो acetate group आहे COCH3 group आहे हा बाहेर असणार आहे आणि this carbonyl as it is. Now you can see 1 2 3 4. Here's directly attachment of SCOA. Just write it again. See this CO 1 2 second group, then this third group, this one is the fourth group, and directly acetyl group, that is thioester group is attached here. Now in this case you can see after base formation of this CH2 is now containing hydrogen, active methylene group, base will abstract this hydrogen and you will get enolate formation, means carbanion formation first. So here is the minus charge, remaining structure as it is we have. Okay, thioester group. Now this negative charge will act on this carbon, these electrons will shift here, so you will get here is the new bond formation, and this O minus, when this electron come backward, this thioester group will releases out and you will get formation of new bond here. So carbonyl group is there, double bond O, this is double bond O and this double bond O, right? This is the structure. Now again we have to do ketoenol tautomerization. Ketoenol tautomerization or aromatization. So finally, as this all containing CH2 group, so ketoenol tautomerization takes place, means here is a formation of double bond and OH will be there. So finally you will get structure like this. At this carbonyl group, there will be OH and double bond formation. Here also OH and double bond formation, OH and double bond formation, and this group remains as it is. Okay, so this compound is called fluoroacetophenone. This is by type B folding.